In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Huntington Bank account vertical bar 2025 vertical bar step by step. Whether you're using a desktop or laptop, the process is quick and secure once you know what to look for. I'll also cover what to expect on your very first login and share practical security tips so you can keep your account protected every time you sign in. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going directly to huntington.com. Type the address yourself instead of clicking links from emails or texts, and confirm you see the padlock and HTTPS in the address bar to verify you're on the official site. On the homepage, look for the Login or Online Banking/Sign-In area. Depending on the current layout, it might appear as a button or a small widget you need to expand. Once it's visible, enter your username or user ID, then your password. Take a moment to double check for typos, paying attention to capitalization. When everything looks right, click Login. If you're prompted to complete an extra verification step, such as entering a one-time code sent to your phone or email, follow the instructions right away. After the code is verified, you'll be taken to your account dashboard, where you can view balances, review recent transactions, and manage payments. If this is your first time logging in after opening your account or enrolling in online banking, you may have a temporary password or setup instructions provided in your welcome materials. Use that temporary password for the initial sign-in, and you'll be prompted to create a new permanent password. Choose something strong that's unique to this account. You'll likely be asked to set up security questions and add or confirm your email address and phone number for account recovery and alerts. If you're using the mobile app, you can register your device and enable features like biometric sign-in when available. That way, recognized devices won't require full re-verification every time, though you may still be asked to verify again after updates or when signing in from a new device. Before we wrap up, a few best practice security tips. Always make sure the site shows HTTPS and the padlock. Log out when you're finished, especially on shared or public computers. Use strong, unique passwords and update them periodically. Never share your login details or one-time codes with anyone. Be cautious with emails or texts that claim to be from your bank and ask for credentials. Legitimate messages won't request your password. Finally, keep your browser, operating system, and mobile app up to date so you have the latest security protections. That's it. You're ready to sign in confidently and securely.